Good morning, children. Welcome to the e-class of DePaul School, Baripada. Students, today I am going to teach moral science to class 4 students. Today's lesson is lesson number 4. Everyone is important. This is in your Happy Yearly Exam course. So my request to you children, please listen the story nicely so that you can understand the story. So the story begins. Sneha and her friends are very happy. Annual function is near. Very soon preparation will begin. It is decided that the class will stage Cinderella. She tells them the story of Cinderella. Then they decide who will play the different roles. It was in the classroom where Sneha was telling the story of Cinderella to rest of the children in the class. Cinderella is a beautiful story about a beautiful girl who had very hard life staying with her stepmother and two stepsisters, and how she got a chance to change her life when she got married to the prince. This story is all about that, and the class was preparing for the annual function, and this story was to be performed on the stage by the children of Sneha's class. Everyone is happy. The teacher gives all the girls a new line to recite so that she can decide who will play the role of Cinderella. The role goes to Ansika. One by one, all the children are given their roles. Sneha is to play the role of Cinderella's stepsister. She is very disappointed. She tells her teacher, I don't want to play the role. I don't want to be in the play at all. Sneha says, the teacher, we need you in the play. It can be. Now, teacher gave some role to every child of the or every student of that class to see who was performing the best, and from that only she will decide who will play the role of Cinderella, the main character in the story. And after seeing everybody's performance, teacher decided that Ansika, one of the friend of Sneha, was going to perform Cinderella's role, and everybody got their role. At last, Sneha was given the role of stepsister of Cinderella. By listening this, Cinderella got very much disappointed, very sad, and she told to her teacher, ma'am, I am not going to take part in this drama, and I am not interested to see what role you have given to me. I am not going to see the role at all. So I am out from this program. But teacher requested her repeatedly that please play the role of stepsister. You don't know, it is very important role in the story. A good play only if we all work together as a team. I think you will play the role of the stepsister very well. Why don't you give it a try? Sneha, however, has made up her mind that she will only participate if she is given the role of Cinderella. Sneha is angry and tearful as she tells her mother about the play. But why don't you want to do stepsister role? Asks her mother. Now, teacher told to Sneha that if you all will perform that story by making a team, or you will make a team effort to perform this on the stage, then I am sure the program will be very superb. And for that, everybody should take interest in the drama. But Sneha told, I am not going to perform this drama at all, ma'am. I am not interested to take part. Then she, saying this, she went away from there, and Cinderella, Sneha's mother requested her that please take part what your teacher has given you the role. Don't think the role to be small, because every role is important and it need to be performed in front of the public on the stage. It takes a great effort to do so, and it is not an important role. Beside, I will not get to wear pretty costumes, replies Sneha. Her mother gently tells her that she must cooperate with her class and the teacher. She should at least give the role to try. The next day, Sneha pretends she has a stomach ache and does not go to school. Her class cannot complete their play practice without her. The following day, she goes to school and sees that everyone is excited about the play. She told her mother, Sneha, that because I am not going to wear beautiful dress as Cinderella used to wear, if I will not play the role of Cinderella, I am not going to wear those beautiful dress, so I am not going to take part in the drama. Because the stepsister were not wearing that beautiful dress as Cinderella was in the story, so for that sake I am not going to take part in the drama, she told to her mother. Next day, Cinderella pretended, means she acted that as if she had stomach ache and she didn't go to school. But rest of the children could not prepare the drama or the act, because Sneha was absent that day. They waited for her, and everyone who got the role to play in the drama were very happy, and they are very excited that they got a chance to perform in front of the public. They are practicing their lines and having a lot of fun working together. She feels left out, thinking it over. She decides to join them. Before long, she is having fun like the others. When her turn comes, she says her line clearly and loudly. Her teacher is very pleased and said, "What a good team this class is. I am sure the play will be superb." Now, after next day when she went to school, she saw that everybody was practicing their own line and everybody were very excited to be the part in the part of the story or the drama, and she felt that she was left out alone. Nobody was talking with her and everybody was busy in practicing their line. Now she thought, yesterday when I was with the group, everybody shared me their thoughts. We together gel up nicely and perform. We are about to perform on the stage. We are preparing for that. But now, as I told you that I am not going to be the part of drama, they are not interested to talk with me. And if I will go on doing like this, a time will surely come, they will totally avoid me, Sneha thought. And when the practice was begin and her role was about to come, she went between the rest of the girl and told her line loudly and clearly. By hearing this, her teacher was very happy and pleased by saying that this class is a good team and their team is going to perform very nicely if they continue to practice like this, and the drama will be or the play will be superb on the stage. Then the story is over. And the moral we come to know, or we got from this story, is an individual has his set of strength and weakness, but when a group of individuals come together, they are able to eliminate their weakness and enhance their strength. Means every single person has his strong point and weakness, but when we work as a team, as a group together, that time our weakness goes back and our strong points or our positive point surely comes in front of us, in front of the public, and everybody appreciate that. So a team is better than an individual. Try to work with group or make a team with your friends and perform or do anything together. You will see everybody will appreciate and you will get satisfaction by doing that work. This story is over, children. I am sure you understood the story, and if you have any doubt, please watch it at least 2 to 3 times, and I am sure there will no doubt regarding the story anymore. Okay, children, goodbye. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye till we meet again with another such video. Thank you.